Hey YouTube, this will be a teardown video of the Yongnuo 360, the Mark 1. I'm not going to do a review of it because there are already reviews of this light. Massive light, crazy light, really bright, blah blah blah. Yeah. Let's aim it at me. Yeah, nice light. As I said, there's other reviews online of it, so no need for me to do a review of it. But anyway, took one apart. Basically, I got a couple of LEDs in here, a couple of LED beads that doesn't work, which is annoying. Basically, one of the beads is fucking dead. So, nothing to do about that. Anyways, if you care to take your own Yongnuo to pieces, the way you do it, you've got that much screws to get out. Seriously. All of this came out of this light. And basically you got two at the top, and then another two, and another two, and another two, and then underneath the sticker in here where the buttons are, there are another 6, and from the other side there is another 4. So a buttload of screws. And when you take the plastic cover off, where the hell did I put it? Yeah, the plastic cover off. When you take the front off, it basically glued in here that little tiny. Let's point with something else. That tiny. Oh, it's magnetic. And the magnet is now on my tool. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Anyway, this tiny peg here broke because it was glued. So fuck Yongnuo. They really didn't want me to get in, which I get it. I mean, yucky spaghetti, really yucky spaghetti. And this is crappy soldering. I mean, what the fuck is this blob? Seriously? And as far as the rest of the soldering points, craptastic, ugly. I mean, it's not bad to the point that it doesn't work. It works, but and all this shiny stuff is a ton of residue from flux. So they didn't clean after them. Again, a blob of flux and another blob of flux. Ugh. They just glued everything together. But at least the board itself with the LEDs built nice. It's very strong. Also, the light itself got a metal chassis all throughout, and the 1/4-inch mount, which you connect to. It's hard with one hand. Sorry. Which you connect to the stand. Here it is. Big solid lump of metal. It's metal? Yeah. No, it's not metal. It's not magnetic. Non-magnetic. So, non-magnetic metal. Aluminium maybe? Something. I don't know. So that goes in here. And the metal chassis goes, which is the dumb part. I mean, they got a metal chassis that goes just here. That's the metal chassis, and it goes on? No, it doesn't. It doesn't go all the way to the top. It's just a piece of metal chassis in here, maybe to make it feel heavier, but it stops here. Why not go all the way to where it connects to the stand? So basically, this is strong as fuck, this whole section, and this is weak, and from here to here it's weak because it's just plastic. They did use I forgot the name, ribs, whatever, to make it stronger, so I don't know, but fuck sakes, you could make it all the way, make it stronger. So I really don't understand the reasoning behind this metal chassis in here. I mean, it's not used for cooling, is it? No, it isn't. Weird. Anyway, this is the PCB with all of the 560 and the 3020, the warm white and the cold white anyways. And these are all the RGB. Let's get him into shot. Yeah, smile to the camera, biatch. Yep. That's all she wrote. And there is another metal kind of chassis. Is it connected to that one? No, it's not. It's really not. Is it going underneath here? Oh, yes it is. Oh, yes it is. So the metal chassis goes all the way from here to all the way over here underneath the LEDs. The LEDs ends up here, the metal chassis ends up, yeah, here. And the RGB LEDs are mounted into a, yeah, just a fucking PCB with a whole lot of holes for some reason. That is a one weird PCB. This is the rest of the case underneath the LEDs. Just fucking plastic, nothing special. And to prevent short circuits with the other PCB, they got this duct tape. Only problem is, if you look close, if it will focus you, fuck, you can see all the dents and even a tear right here. And all of that is due to the fact that there are really crappy Chinesium soldering, and basically you can draw blood with this. Seriously, I mean, it's fucking sharp. Really focus, you freaking. They didn't chop off the legs of the LEDs enough, and yeah, crappy Chinesium all over. Ugh. Anyways, that thing really feels heavy, and it really feels freaking sturdy, and I mean, it feels like if you throw it at someone's face it will hurt. But yeah, it's plastic, and yeah, this is a fucking spaghetti. This is bloody spaghetti. It's not pretty. But as far as the circuitry goes, there's big ass capacitors in here, so it will be smooth, and all the surface mount components seem to be what is it called? Flow soldering. So the soldering on those are fine, and even on all of them, it's just all the wires that looks to be soldered by hand, and the person who soldered it by hand should be kicked in the balls at least 7 times minimum. 7 times. Yeah, 7 times kicked in the balls. Should be fine. And that's it. Nice light. Didn't like the spaghetti. They could use more metal inside, but nah. And I'm really pissed off that I got one dead LED. It's not fair. But yeah, I got two. Because the way they connected two in parallel, two in series. So every it's based on couples of LEDs, and one of the LED beads in here, the warm one, is freaking dead, and as a result his friend is also dead. He's not lighting up, which is fucking annoying. Maybe I'll solder some resistor instead of the LED, so the other one will light up. Anyway, Yongnuo 360 craptastic Chinesium. That's how it looks from the inside, if you ever wondered. Now what I'm thinking of doing is maybe I'll sand the inside of this plastic to make it softer. Nah, but we'll see. That's it. Bye, YouTube.